Hello, good day. Richard Darcy here, Media Mechanic. Here's that short little video I was talking about, giving you some tips on how to increase your online traffic. So number one is put your name into Google here, and you don't have a Google business profile that pops up. Getting a Google business profile will definitely help your local listings and opportunity to be found by people looking for your services in your neighborhood. So a Google business profile is definitely a big positive thing for your online presence. Here's your website. So you got a short little video here. It's well laid out. There's an opportunity for a little bit of improvement here in the sense that you're missing some content. We're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words to really just lay down the principles of getting your services laid out in your website. Allow Google to crawl your website to look for the keywords that people are typing into Google's search and look for your services. So definitely increasing your content would help with your online presence. There's a couple other different factors here that come into play. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It gives me a measure of trust and authority relationship, this URDR. And, we have referring domains and backlinks. Now, referring domains are local listings where you can take your information that's consistent on your Google business profile, put that into these local listings. And again, what that does is it creates the popularity contest to let Google know you're kind of out there. Your business is a trusted authority in the industry, and away you go. So definitely increasing your local listings is a good way to increase your online presence. I see your website here is new or newer, so good for you for getting in the game and getting the ability to be found. And like I said, this is a tool, so the numbers are different, but what isn't showing here is that you're not ranking for any keywords and nobody's really finding you online. And my goal in doing this is improving people's company's awareness and presence online, so that the money you do put into your website is doesn't go to waste. People will find you, and you will get more work because of it. So I put home cleaning Edmonton because it's a major keyword when you're building your Google business profile or your website. It's good to use these keywords, these keyword phrases. So let's see here. I'll just back up real quick. When I put in home cleaning, the ad section comes up here, and I think I found you. You were spending some money on ads, so that's how I found you. But this area up here, this is the NAP pack. This is where your citations or your local listings come into play for Google to really put you up at the top of page 1 of Google, where everybody wants to be, because they say about 40% of people scrolling through Google after a search don't go past this. And this business hasn't been around very long, and they're already at the top. And it's not sponsored, so they're not paying to be there. And really what happens is, I go to the first one on this search, and, you go to their websites, and it looks good. They've got their Google business profile here. They've got reviews. That's usually what I talk about as well in the Google business profiles, is you want the reviews. These guys have 175 reviews, getting pretty close to 5-star. Let's see how their pictures are. Pictures are premium. They have a bunch of pictures. Looks like they got a clean fridge here. But how you save your pictures is important. you really should save them with keyword phrases like, cleaning services, Edmonton. Your name is okay, but you want to be triggering for as many keyword phrases as possible. So putting pictures on your Google business profile is super important and really gets you up there. And like it is a popularity contest, being out there, being available. So Dust Queen Maid Service is #1 organic. I think that is a company that has really put a lot of effort into digital marketing, and they have focused efforts. But even in being #3 spot, let's see what these guys are like. To get into the #3 spot, they're getting 100 people, like over 90 people approximately, going to their website, and they really haven't put a whole bunch of effort into this. And these are the type of keyword phrases that they're sitting on right now. So 400 people a month are looking for cleaning company in Edmonton or cleaning Edmonton. And the keyword difficulty, the KD here, it's a little bit high, so it does take some effort and some time to rank for that sort of stuff. But look at these guys; they're in 9th place. They were sitting in #3. So really, it's not about beating out the first guy and being #1. It's about putting consistent effort into building an effective, optimized website. And then, building on that over time, you will gain the traffic and, earn more money than what you're turning back or putting into it. So, Richard, that's it. There's no secrets here. What it comes down to is just doing a couple, key things here to spruce up your website, get your Google business profile rolling, and putting an honest effort into figuring out, how you can do that. And, I do this for a living, and this is something I really strive to help businesses achieve, is get online with a straight up business. This is Darcy with Media Mechanic. Feel free to get back to me if you have any other questions.